I GC News, Lima Olivia Aquaba. I had the latest and hot news in Kwan, and I did a promo. I don't see so we subscribe ya, or more than say over subscribe. You be honest, over click the subscribe button. Now, I barely notification. We understand this video be a upload on also one side and back can be. I feel we are now what like video, give us a thumbs up, nothing. Share my say what's up. Share na ofoforo so na we dey behwe na wo munya ekoso e wo Ghana memo hanu afi yenhwe eye ensema abeto ye proso iti eye ensebo ya ekoso iti
na me ya adoma Saturday numre between the hours of 7 ekokosi 9 o'clock and 10 omo fa na pontinase no mo nka nche se de na opeso ka no ready na so mo nka mo
what's it
me say and I don't care how they will feel. I'm telling them the reality. Me say na po omo nchene ntenase MPP national executives ni mpanyfo nyina ntena ho e di asem na apeso kaka no nti owi a mo fa marking scheme nka ho ba bi obeka ye problematic no metwa ba bi obeka problematic no metwa masa fa we sha you should grammar we ka asem we enye say it will create a problem. They should tell him say ye ba be twa so de ama unni na so we ba for credit free one you have issues with
aro ya kura no matwa no ka jama no
enye pai mu bia ni nim kasa wo enye pai mu bia ni nim kasa wo because the ba onye sa ye no ho abonten no to get a running mate which is not blemished. A running mate who nya no ho asamunka. A running mate is loved by the people. A running mate or kasa onko fa problems in family.
Rollins abeyebi, Dr. Ronald Kukufu abeyebi, Dr. Dr. Atamils.
Okay, so me catch was when didn't put young money didn't put no. When some of Kafa see defense staff.
Yeah, was it so almost some koya? Yes, also lead demonstration.
Thank you. But me kase mo kwame. Unso start kwame kuma sa nyane. Na na Akufo now kasa kra nim say. O catch so abon ho modern che Ghana mpanyimfo nyina ho nse tro na wu. Akufo na ni so tenase. No share president abanyina catch so na aye ade che president fo nu nse wu di tro.
Dr. Jonathan Kukufu abeyebi, Dr. Dr. Atamils ebeye kaka, Dr. Okay. Ana.
Franco, Sabu, Diedikai, always I say, try to put yourself in the shoes of Nkofomu Free Abia Central Region. There be a car same as Shabulas is me abuni me friwenchi. Adeba kwam de pride me ho. It's whereby Buza is a founding member of the New Patriotic Party. Anyashi, Buza nearby a friend Ama Buza ne buy Madam Fu, Albert Amiyaw. If you look at MPP, Omuti no bed makasi be friwenchi because of Buza. And there be the Buza idea. If you go to the central part of Ghana, a lot of people who hail from the central region are the most pride because he is the first fancy person to become a president, not a vice president. Ubenya Akano Fiwiniba, or be vice president. But Ubenya John Evans Atanos, who was duly elected, he won for elections and he won the elections.
Yeah.
And yes, Ebia was that in any cake. They said, Domama Diana on the 24th of July. Na yiri wo fufu man anopa we are catching so be jollof ne salad and they catching say Mills Ewuno or be take over. Mills was duly elected, so there are some kind of respect as it in the money pan. Ghana, the highest office in Ghana, and it said we make right to become the president of the Republic of Ghana. If you look at Mills again, it's not under military rule. Wanyaku, he was duly elected as the president of the Republic of Ghana. Anyashi, a certain kind of respect should be given to him. Matthew we friend Matthew Poku Prempe na po. Shabula sisi
Franco Rahita.
Miss any time I make a pass in Biano. Sab gofna what comment here say and there is bitterness in you. Who you peeved.
And I'm not put on uncle contest here. On impression.
And you see, people doesn't look at the merits and the merits of the matter. Sabu MPP father some make your answer because of the MPP. But still I criticize them constructively. Me MPP, but some can I totally disagree with him.
Are they?
Shaibu. I say anytime when the problem who crowd will be he's being carried away. I want him also. Anytime who crowd will be I quite question will be Shabla is good. Shabla is in my analysis here. No who's amount for you want to impress all the people so you good.
So they are not the highest officer or attaining in life or not too. And so be party be running mates.
But you have to be very circumspect.
Say Nigeria Monos.
That be Shabla is
so much. I say and the point to me yet. And to person please what person will prove more wrong.
The Casami say, me, my braba me bonia, ni paba, quam, yen susu the other mammy, my brabo. and me papa wonye baby ko. Kofi Addo ka kire me say Kwabena, woni gye brusu bebrebe a won kasa. Owura hosu bebrebe a won kasa. Because when you gye brusu bebrebe you can make a lot of promises and pledges. When you baba hosu na it too late. Ubufu so betima make comments that comments will come back to haunt you. Because after me catch shebu yanka manka. Because if you are and you don't care about the consequences. We now continue them who just shebu aye me papa pen. E dey pa na kan na be dish shebu atem. Now if you look at Napo, since your body demanded by the running mate to Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Anytime Obeka said bia crowd will be there is a problem.
And you patch aside if you know or Casa every take crowd as Abeka.
Me say that is the problem of the NPP, no me. And some women say what they say identifying the problem is part of the solution. If you are able to identify the problem, give solutions to the problem. Now people take it over as the running mate. Let's look at the utterances and comments from Napo. Thursday, I outdoor. Ye unveiling Napo to the outside people, not just the MPP alone. To the outside people, I'm a catcher. I quite to say what school my first day at school. Now I can't school. I can't headmaster. Listen to the utterances from Napo. Mokwame Nkrumah. I did the bow Krumah the Ketwa. Whereby you have the CPP coming out, you have civil societies, you have technocrats, you have intellectual and elites coming out after we are in a pool. That day, if you look at Grand MPP 4 year, you found fair course, and course, everybody forgot about Sadi. And everybody was punching Napo left, right, center. Because I make a statement, and a statement no making people have issues with it. Mokwame Nkrumah. It take almost 2 weeks. We catch him. Now wait for the letter back. Now wait for the letter back. Now wait for cassette. And the people says and no question. Canada citing yourself. People Western North baby. He re-echoed it. I said a pressure man was about the render unqualified apology, but that letter was a qualified apology. Or change him into a class assembly. And people were saying that this is not the time for you to explain matters. Just sober yourself, calm down, humble yourself. And says, I'm putting the egos aside, the arrogance I'm putting it aside, and says, I'm sorry. You know, Babo, you can't swap patcho. Now, I know Coco Pimon Crawford, Kwame Nkrumah couldn't put him paying for couldn't come up patcho. Anytime the post sees crowd, assembly can be a disaster, a bomb. See, that's more kind. What say? Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, Dr. J.J. Rollins. Say, J.J. you want money, 100 doctors.
I'm not sure.
J. Kufo or Kanasem.
Dr. J. Kufo.
Or Kaji Kufuasem. Now, if you John Evans at Tamils or so, or say, Aquano, Jesus Christ, I will assist.
Aquabacro.
Hey! As well, we should not joke with it too. We should not joke with it. Aquana, person of Cocotte National. Aquana, open. You've not even attained the position to even become a president. You want to pass through the vice presidential area and become the president. Give a certain kind of respect to the people.
To tour the 275 constituencies. No, but major rallies. What a Mills about 2000 and
Mills came on 3 occasions.
2004, cry.
Mills about 3 occasions as a Agina 2. Mills near Akufa difference again. Akufa came on 3 occasions as NKMPP for 1 year. As if they didn't struggle, as if they didn't go through pain before some multi technical power.
About 2004, 2004, second term.
2008, 2008,
no, call first, call second, call third.
Time it was a decider. Most of crab on the win, it was not even more than 50,000.
Yes.
Can you be more than 50,000? But still, he said the president of the Republic of Ghana
to tour these constituencies.
Jesus Christ, I will. No one ya obia or no the running mate. And look at the way he was addressing the former president.
And Penny said, some unia and chan qua, also chankum could do. So when chan qua, also chankum could do.
Let's say, look at how he was addressing the former president. How he was addressing the former president. Former president will be J. Mills. So what you know what Kwame Nkrumah, what prevented you from mentioning his name?
Oh, man, penny that down in the baby call. John Evans.
Mommy, say, Cassa Aquaya, as a Chinese say.
He's Aquaya, like say, Aquay, like, Mona said, Umunu,
and one no dear Kwame Nkrumah.
Umunu,
who said that be a catch them say. Now, poor give you one home. So he just say he wants to discredit you. He have a nice way to discredit you. As a nipa of our yashi. Why do you make this kind of comment? Why?
No,
why do you make this kind of comment?
I dear betching so Ubetima das and I'm kind of a joke or a joke.
Why do you make this kind of comment? And why
is it the person could do?
If the NPP is not careful, this kind of elections, now in fact analytics forecast is only 65%. I don't mean about 40% in Ashanti region. I'm telling you, one, you put away the flag bearer of the New Patriotic Party. No, they see me as a pathological liar. So on cannot correct. And I mean, people can give you series of things about me. Kind and correct. Now, if you're going to bring a running, say because about me, you should get a running mate which is not blemished. A running mate a running mate is loved by the people. A running mate or kasa uncle for problems in family. O kaisa me catch was when he didn't put young would dimpuno. When some of Kafa see defense staff. Tada waves. What do you guy?
Was it almost some koya? Yes, also lead demonstration.
Thank you. What me kase mokwaming. Also started Kwame Nkrumah.
But Senator Satama,
he wasn't at the limelight. Yeah, because he was an education minister. Now, what to me rise above the number 2? So the Mawa.
Is it because of the Napoleon? Also, no banana. I must say president. There was a this and like say president. Nanado empenasem. So, opposite please Kufon to opposite the piano or Nanado opposite please President Kufo. Do we know yet? So, comparison no you. Opposite the Nanado. What bottom money chair. Ghana man penny. The now Kuford now Casa Craning say, oh, catchers are one more than check Ghana and paying for now on Saturn wood. And I both said they were butcher will be a Saturn wood only. I could find many. So what's Nasi? No share president have been now catchers on I dear president for the wood. Maybe Napo comments, you know, a bit to her MPP. I shall bless you. As a man, okay. Let's say, I quite question the Wababono region. And I be a walk company for us. No, I could go very fairly a Buziati. Mubuziano.
No, I can't say Mubuziano. It's a serious matter.
Also with my MPP.
Chabla Sisi. North is a well celebrated in the central part of Ghana. If you look at North, those MPP for Nukabi Penasem. MPP for
what I said, I'm saying, it's an interest rate or something. Most
may say, if you look at this Fourth Republic, Mama doesn't come close to reference Johnny Vasatamas.
Nanado himself,
may say. North, how he laid a good foundation. And no matter what you the boy, it is entirely different from the Ecosu.
Now, maybe say about affected the MPP for campaign. Then I didn't know call na put or the net there be a opportunity to speak to be a gathering. Now all cancer man and fat, but soon you man we not so copper region be a central in for common. And this year on a put. After Western region, Okopa Central Okopa, the next region will be similar or South Central region in the who start to follow the New Patriotic Party. Is that the same MPP you are seeing today? I'm asking you a question. Party Baku na first who democracy. Who's a discipline was the New Patriotic Party? My say partner is Basa. Obi a the oppressor. Obi a the oppressor. Because if you can have Obia or no any political portfolio Obia with MPP, can threaten the general secretary of the MPP, it tells you there is a problem. One to me, the problem when you are creating a Sunino, I am myself south of youth organizers and organize and an uncreated problem. If there is a party, if there is disciplinary, can this kind of what transit in Koso? Now, poor transit, a party in the song.
I was a
party in the song.
But now you see a separate entity from the party.
So was all on the mind. On the mind, and he was trying to please President Akufo-Addo. Or the garden who said
nobody has a problem if you want to please Akufo-Addo, but you have to choose your words carefully. There be a catch of communication is a powerful tool. There be a catch. Mr. Shabla says, "Make my carriers a minimum chimney and heaven men call." What has a minimum chimney and cop in some gem? Make catch of some more can I be before the boom. That is my problem with them. Sycophants in the doors or hypocrisy in the doors. And what has I say? They have to sit him there and say, Jack, the tangent that you are going, by being a walk on, is serious, be extra careful. The kind of things that you are saying is not palatable for the party. It's not delicious for the party. Because at the end of the day, it is creating a certain kind of problem for the party. And then, people have issues with it. He has issues with it. Dear, when he say, Regions are swinging regions. Regions have been marked as regions where they don't go for one political party. No, a horse on a whole say more. I'm not in Koso.
Western region is central.
That many actual baby a bit marked as a women year, only a true and true MPP, true and true NDC. Santana West Winya, as greater Winya, and what then and you have to measure your utterances. First of all, who the car president Kasem. And who can Kumasi? Am I here for one crofuni as in one Yinano and a do baby crazy youth for Western Deben, they have to come into the picture. CPP have to come into the picture and say, render unqualified apology. A do baby as a man in CS across over a campaign. And I'm paying for go to a copatch or the mouth.
I'm not so few Waba.
Into Wabano. Nanke said that there should be a case study for you. Okasa, you have to measure your utterances. You have to be not just careful, but extremely careful to a point to say, Uncle Castle will create a problem at the amount. And then I will be Central Region Force account. Central Region Force account fast will address it from one Casa this year. The former President John Evans at Cameros, and yet come because one castle. Now, some be able to Cassa, Mokwame Chroma, Nes was have a Cassa Papa, or says one Pampo, Jesus. Akwaba kuno na do your mama so kwade about ebadu nanko wase meso kwade be yaduma kakra bi anwante wase the akwada we kwade yaduma kakra bi. If you look at nurse, if you look at economy, every sector of nurse every education be yidi afim but the economy he has performed better than John Dramani Mama. He has performed better than Uri Efen and Abidan Kwakufuad.
Every sector of the economy grew under Atta Mills.
Then you single digit inflation. Ghana, economy by 14%.
They send them 20.9.
After Okabi.
And look at Mose Maya, them number form.
Look at Mills. Kind of fast what you say, no money yakono. I don't belong to the NDC. But truth is sacred. There can your opinion, facts, we cannot correct.
Franco, Nyame Boa Sunday MPP lunch on Memphis in the Western region.
Yes.
Napoya Man and Casa.
Media. And I am a car man for so Franco. That we are not going to talk about the problems. But yes, we are here. Now the down so we should be citizens, not spectators. Mimi MPP. There be a catcher so now I'm a tiff your anthem no. The elephant or more bono. Your party joke or can cream. Mesaibu. As some I know a lot of people in the NPP might not be happy, but I want to be objective. I want to be truthful. What Kaiser done or Kwame Nkrumah me catch us of Mumfa Tuba Kunsia. No Mumfa Tuba Kunsi in Benkunso. No moon programming to Unfancy. No one can as a massa. Wouldn't you script Yamaw? Wouldn't not cast and phobia the farm now you mistake better to the trouble. At the Nipaba could 2 messages so Bonabenoy. Can you cast about one kind? And the time Napocasabian it dropped people away from the NPP. Napocasa it dropped Mr. Casabia Nipa 20,000 Jaipa Moko. Floating voters. And only the all transfers. Who's a baby singer? A man for being deciding you who to vote for now. But it depends on how the running mate and the flag bearer come first on your monoma. But now he's talking about policies and programs and be unrealistic. Then I say the running mate, instead of the running mate, making sure so about the flag bearer also quite is doing worse things. The Casa said I'm going. First of what Kwame Nkrumah said, look at how people became peeved and annoyed. Among folk registered their displeasure to him. None wonder where Sunday. You know what can I say? Look at the way it is trending. If you look at the colorful event MPP for year and right 3 park corner, will be uncountable. But yes, bad news travels. What's it? Bad news and travel more than good news. And you know what part say? And in a massa, you know, yes, a trend is out. And to me, Bashabula Sisi. If bad news trends are, your positive news will also ensure to my trend. Why don't you opt for the positive? I'm asking. Do I say that Napo Ekasavia, the beauty of the program, a kind of said not on no. Name bad comment in the air trend. And yes, you have money demanded by a running mate. We're making two serious comments. That comment was going against the New Patriotic Party. People are peeved. And I didn't sometimes it becomes tribalistic and ethnicity. And what they so some are very tribalistic. And from the fund there now, they are also having a problem with the New Patriotic Party. Because I'm a flag running mate, it doesn't conform to us, and we have issues with it. That's why I make it now, what be Western region? I'm a Zim for them for the wolf. Let's put it down. Chabu, what's the young point about Sunday? Where they are the second I may say MPP for. Now, me, I do my Saturday. between the hours of 7 ekokosi 9 o'clock and 10
p.m.
yes omo fa na pontinase no mo nka nche se de na opeso aka no ready na so mo nka mo nti
what's it
me say and I don't care how they will feel. I'm telling them the reality. Me say na po omo nchene ntenase MPP national executives ni mpanyfo nyina ntena ho no omo so kinsie na ye crowd no e di asem na apesa okaka nti owi a mo fa marking scheme nka ho ba bi obeka ye problematic no metwem ba bi obeka problematic no metwem se masa fa we sha ha you grammar we ka asem we enya say it will create a problem
into only can recording na on recording no on your demo
yes only can recording no no ma boatie awu ba bi a problems wo e so mbomani tie omu nyina tie ka se da bi ha yifrim enya say akwa akwa asem fofo bi ndwin konkoso of problem no thirdly asem mesia kabim they should tell him say you ba be twere so de ama unni na so yi ba ko kra di film one you have issues with you
but oya akura no match no kama no
what say
oya akura in policy
enye pai mu bia ni nim kasa wo ana woni enye pai mu bia ni nim kasa wo adenti na pai inform ni timi transna nkra ni timi tenase o mutimi ye intellectual debate wie no makasa akra ni made obi se se bi gentu so anase wani
osa
malik basintel wani anase so why so mu share pai inform no mu ye constructive debate o mu yom se akra ni made che pai mu no I'm asking you what it comes to say o convince obi enye se wani you. It depends on how you communicate, your communication skills that comes into bear. And to the bay here say, so the one program it to occur for instance here, or one person for trade. Bakunya nechi. Any no fast, no fabi so much soldier for no, Robert Cano, or Cano move him, or ya himself when there's a massa hammer, yes, and catch or can ye. Any time the port talks over 20,000 people have to run away from the new patriotic party. As a man, okay. So don't joke with what I'm telling you. I didn't tell the papa ko ye bond the 3 months. The MPP for Kokopacho. What get home
at the MPP because did they choose a wrong
meaning almost say na babe you so be almost say na delegates ne pe almost say na party for ne pe and you see that no catch you say you can be a good person why buy a age ucheska but when it come to office it's a different matter. Shabu says you good power ucheska but a band office nankasa he's having a problem. And in Ebia na might be a good person ucheska wa bonting or share party for but maybe the office nankasa crown he's having issues with it. Now problem to keep over you. Let's look at the utterances of Napo. Wakabi. Hey, now wada utie mamia NDC for mami omakwa ko ni.
Professor Jinana.
Ne adore nuti no.
Yeah.
Onveli nuti no. Straight to the point. Wankasa bebi. She was able to highlight the problems and the kind of solutions they want to give. Now to confirm running mate to catch us on was not the change on Germany mama. We have it. Saka sa what I say. As I say, why would you teach me? Some kind of say masima no dey train was say.
Thank you.
But sad dey say your mama so can be MPP for. They don't want to accommodate it. That's why they catch on you. So you cast my be masima no dey train say will see yes maybe do atemo. And then sanity.
Yeah.
My yima come say maybe do atemo. So your mama also do MPP for they have pains within them. They do as if as a mama they moja name. That is my problem with the NPP.
Are you doing the NDC bidding for them?
Me. Shabu says my can't show play. Me MPP new. Me MPP. Me. Obi woni me bia me de. Obi oni me bia from 2015-16 Obano. And him say I've been consistent on radio doing the NPP bidding for them. You know, keynote. You know, morning show. Always issues about never MPP one. I try to praise them. I try to tell them the reality. Say na semeti. But Shabu says, Martina Sidi, I have bought into a certain kind of idea. I have bought into a certain kind of ideology, any philosophy. And it's a Ghana first. Timidium, a Ghana first. Me MPP. Me baba tina konyo we musa me kasa. MPP colors. Me nya sa anko fra me ya sa aboafo ne say, wo de boa be try the MPP flag e kire wa metro ba me MPP. And now the crime back, now the crime be now the crime no. I need to metro ba me MPP. A lot of Ghanaians are becoming discerning.
Yo, wait for because GC News so and now what no. Say we now subscribe ya, but more than say over subscribe since I had the latest info to Kwana FM. Na feel so we are like video do na feel share ma of for so na when you do here now ya ekoso ewo Ghana manwa also betimi achire wadin afaye so we na ewo comment box ni weti mekabio in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.